The question that I'm answering here is, how can I help my student form a practice habit? There are different levels of getting our students to be better practicers, but the baseline level for all students of all ages and levels and abilities is just to actually be in the habit of regularly practicing. Having a good habit of practicing daily or nearly daily does not mean that the quality of practice will be high, so that would be a different video. But I'm going to start by talking about how can we get our students to get in the rhythm of regularly practicing. A few years ago, I read James Clear's book, Atomic Habits. If you have not read this, I would commend it to you, and I will link it in the description of this video as well. There's quite a bit of introductory material, which I think is really well worth reading, but the bulk of the book is his 4 laws of habit creation. So starting on page 59, you get the first law, which is make it obvious. Second law, make it attractive. Third law, make it easy. And the fourth law, make it satisfying. And then there's one final section, which he calls advanced tactics, as well as an appendix with even more information. Like I said, the main theme of the book is these 4 laws of habit creation. So whatever you want to do, whether it's piano practicing or exercise or whatever it is, these 4 laws will ensure that you get the best chance of creating the habit. I made a document that outlines what I think this means for piano students, and I'm particularly talking to families with children or teenagers, but adult students could certainly apply this themselves. If you grab that PDF, the first 2 parts, the first 2 laws, are the responsibility of the student and the student's family. So make practice obvious. This means that the practice environment at home needs to be obvious and easily usable. And I'm sure we've all had students for whom whatever it was about the home setup was not ideal, and that was actually a big hurdle for them getting to the instrument regularly to practice. If you'd like the full video explaining the rest of my thoughts on habit creation for piano students, then join the Patreon. You'll get access to the full video as well as access to the PDF that I mentioned. Thanks so much.